Hey Jasmine, just an update right now. I am in a little bit of a problem with this tractor getting stuck in my pool at, I don't know what to do here. This is a little bit scary and I'm in uncharted waters with this.
I wish there was something more we could do to help, but this isn't my part of the project, yet it has to be dealt with. They brought in 3 different machines at this point. They're really, really stuck. This is bad.
This is existing home, that's new slab, and the existing home itself is slanted at a degree that exposes 3/4 of an inch on that side.
This is not good. I can't believe you poured your own slab. It can't be off because we have to install flooring. And if we're trying to install flooring over something that's not lined up and not level, it's not gonna work.
This is the worst that I've ever seen in this small of a span in my career.
Oh, man. I'm just gonna tell you guys, this is terrifying, right? Because you have exposed gas lines and exposed electrical. Somebody bumps into it, the gas comes unhooked, suddenly you have gas flooding your kitchen. As far as this kitchen goes, this is the worst I've seen.
Pulled all the tile, pulled the toilet, the drywall. What you're seeing now is what was underneath that.
Looking at this subfloor and the area around the toilet, this is clearly from termites. It's spongy under my feet. And this just went right through. This is next level. I don't think we should be standing in here. Mom, what are you doing?
I am opening up this wall into the kitchen.
I'm kind of scared about what my mom is doing to the house.
I've kind of just caused hazards all around my house. It doesn't feel safe in there. I have holes in walls, electrical sticking out. The kids hate it. I hate it.